Hi everyone, this is the Grand Floridian Villa, one bedroom for the Disney Vacation Club. I just thought I'd show everyone what this room looks like. So that was the front door, and then when you walk in, you see the living space over here. To the left, there's just a picture, and that's if you have an adjoining room. So we're gonna go ahead and just show you what's to the right. There's this little hallway, and then in here, I don't think there's anything. But in this door, you have like laundry, hamper, iron, broom, vacuum, high chair, like everything you would need for cleaning. And then over here is a washer and dryer, which is just right in the room. So it's really convenient, except I don't like to do laundry while on vacation, so I don't use it. And then there's the bathroom, which we'll check out later. And then here's just more of the hallway. And then when you look over here, you have, this is pretty much a full kitchen. So you have some storage, ice maker, you have some drawers. I think this has all the carrot peeler, cheese grater, knives, things you'd need there. And we are just leaving today, sadly, so the room is not in the condition that it was when we found it, but I mean, it's still pretty good, so it'll give you a good idea. So there's a breakfast booth, and you can see what this area looks like. A really nice eating area. And then over here is the whole kitchen, which I'll try to give you more of a shot of. And then it's got everything you'd need, plates, bowls, even wine glasses. Over here, here's your plates and bowls. There's Tupperware. Comes with all different kinds of things. There's the microwave. It's got a stove with a cooktop. There's the sink. This right here is a dishwasher, so you have that as well if you don't want to do dishes. And then you have plenty of drawers for silverware and things like that. Then over here you have a refrigerator, which we have a few things left in here. I think some water, milk, eggs. I'm just getting ready to leave. And then this down here is a freezer. It's kind of hard to film. You can see in there. And then this space goes directly into the living room, which is really nice and comfortable. That couch actually pulls out into a bed, so that can sleep too. Then you have some ottomans here, which open up, so you have more storage. There's a lot of storage. These drawers open up for more storage. Then you have a desk, phone, some really cute Mickey Mouse wall hangings. There's a sitting chair. And then over here you have the TV. And then this pulls out, and then this actually pulls out into a bed. So you can sleep another one here. It's kind of a smaller size, but you can definitely have one more sleep here. Just gonna fold that up. So that's what it looks like. And then over here is the bedroom. Actually, I'll give you one shot of the balcony first, and we'll go out there soon. Over here is the bedroom, and you have a nice, is it king-size bed, a chair, has some pretty crown molding, ceiling fan, and then over here is a desk. You have another nice-sized TV, lots of drawers. The bed has a little Mickey Mouse shaped towel. Right here is another set of drawers, so you get plenty of storage space. Then in here you have a walk-in closet, which is a really good size. They always give you robes to go by the pool, go boating, go to the hot tub, which is what I use them for. So you get a really good size, like you can see, walk-in closet. There's a safe in there. Then over here is part of the bathroom. It's like an L-shaped bathroom, so this door just slides out. And then here you have a bathtub which has jets, I believe. I don't know, I never used it. Mirror. And then over here, you have a sink, lots of storage area, another mirror. That actually right there is a TV that you can put on inside the mirror. So if you're taking a bath, you can watch TV. So there's 3 TVs in this room. And then this goes to the other part of the bathroom. Yeah. And you've got lots of storage, a makeup mirror, everything you need. There's the toilet. Then this is the shower, which is a really good sized shower. The door swings open, and then you have all of this space. It's a total walk-in shower, so you can walk in, and then the water comes from the ceiling, or you can use that shower head. It's got a seat over there, and then this door right here just goes back out to that hallway. And then there is the front door. Okay, so now we'll go take a look at the balcony. You just walk through the bathroom, you're back in the bedroom again. And these TVs actually, I noticed they pull out. You can swivel them so anyone can see. And then you have a really large balcony. There's drapes that move over so you can be in bed and just, if you're laying in bed, this is the view that you have. You can see that's the main building for the Grand Floridian. That's where you get the monorail. The pools are down there. There's 2 pools here. There's a hot tub. So you walk out here from the bedroom, and this is your view. You can actually see the monorail. Let's see if I can zoom in on the monorail right there. That's the monorail. And then again, over here is the main building. And then you can see that is the Seven Seas Lagoon and Bay Lake, and that'll take you over to the Magic Kingdom. And this is the rest of the building. And if you can see, you actually have a really good size balcony when you have a 1-bedroom. You walk out here, there's chairs, we still have our towels drying. We'll walk down here. Then this goes into the family room, or the living area, as you can see. So this goes into the living room, and again, here's a shot of what you see when you're in the living room. You can see that main balcony, or sorry, the main building. And then again, you have this really good sized balcony that's about 2 rooms, the length of 2 rooms. And then over here is the covered walkway. You walk throughout here, and that will take you to the main building. And then if you have this view, there's all different views. You can actually see the fireworks from the Magic Kingdom perfectly right there. So this is a really great view if you don't want to be at the parks all day, yet you still want to see the fireworks. So again, here's a shot of the balcony. And you can see all the space you have. You can see the bedroom. And back to the living room, there's the kitchen, and there's one final overview of everything. And again, this is just great to wake up in the morning and see that view. So that's pretty much it. We're leaving today, so I just had to do a quick overview. I know some people go more in depth, but I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is the Disney Vacation Club building. This is the 1-bedroom. They do have 2 and 3 bedrooms, and then they have like the regular size room without the kitchen, just like a little kitchenette kind of thing. But this is the 1-bedroom Grand Floridian Villas. Let me know if you like seeing Disney videos like this, and I can definitely do some more for you, but of course I will be back with nail videos. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!